Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia G10 to an Android device. Firstly, access Play Store on both of them and tap on the search bar. After that, you need to type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Then open it. Now select I accept, then confirm, continue and allow. After that, you need to go with receive on an Android and send on Nokia. Then click on all of those dots and choose send in order to send all of your data. It will take some time though, so I will go into photos category, select one of them and tap on send. Then click got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and tap on receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on the scanning icon on an Android, tap on allow and point your camera at the code. Now we need to wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to check it out for sure, go into File Manager and click on In My Case Photos. As you can see, Send Annual folder, so Ceramides click, is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!